Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is week 12 of our RNS.ID update and I have some really exciting news. So I have the dashboard pulled up here and you can see here that it still shows printing like it has for the last several weeks. However, I think there's just some sort of delay here from the printing to shipping update because I got an email saying that it had actually been shipped. And when I track the package from the email, it actually shows that it's out for delivery today. So I am excited. That means that I will be getting the ID today. And what I'll do is over the weekend, I will probably just let it sit. And on Monday, we'll come back here and do an unboxing video and show you guys the welcome kit and how the package looks and what you can expect when you get your ID. So super exciting to have the wait be final and over with. If you're still waiting for your ID to come in the mail, have patience. They are working through it and it's super exciting. Very excited for the opportunities that will come from this. But I did want to update you guys right away and let you know that not only was the portal behind in showing from printing to shipping, but in fact that it has been shipped and it will be here today. So super excited to jump back in on Monday and do an unboxing video for the RNS.ID for the digital ID to Palau. But if you have any questions, any concerns, leave those in the comments below. You can check out all of the other previous updates that we've done, and there's actually a bunch of other videos that we have with frequently asked questions about RNS.ID. But that's it for this video, and we'll see you for the unboxing. Thanks.